Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to do Hill cipher. So Hill cipher, it is a polyalphabetic cipher method developed by Lester Hill in 1921. So from his name, this algorithm was given name Hill cipher. The encryption algorithm takes m successive plain text letters and substitutes from them an m ciphertext letter. So now we will directly go with its formula how to use this. So there is general formula that C is equal to Kp mod 26. C is equal to Kp mod 26, where K is the key given to you and P is the plain text which is also given to you to find out the ciphertext. So now we will see one example. For example, consider the plain text pay more money and use the encryption key. So this is the key that is given to us, and plain text is pay more money. So this is 3 cross 3 matrix. So this is 3 cross 3 matrix. So we need to divide our plain text in 3 pairs. So first we will see do is pay, then MOR, then EMO and NEY. So we will do it in 3 pairs. So K is our key given to you. Now plain text we are taking first is for PAY. So now what we need to do is to find out the values of pay. Here our first 3 letters of the plain text are pay, which are alphabetically numeric are. See now this has value, P has value 15, A has value 0 and Y has value 24. So this we have seen from the table which we are assigning values to A to Z. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, similarly up to Z. So here you can see that P has having values 15, A is having value 0, Y is having value 24. So now what we need to do is to put these values in the formula. So what is our formula? C is equal to Kp mod 26. So this is our key that is given to us. This is the plain text and this is the mode. Now when you will do this matrix multiplication, that 17 into 15 plus 17 into 0 plus 5 into 24. Similarly 21 into 15 plus 18 into 0 plus 21 into 24. 15 into 2, 0 into 2 and 24 into 1, and then you will add it. So now after adding all these three you will get all the three values. Now with all the three values you need to do mod 26. So here whatever answer you will get, you need to mod it with 26. So when you will mod it with 26 you will get these values 11, 13, 18, and now you need to again see in the table that what is the value. 11 there will be L, 13 there will be N, 18 there will be S. So for PAY the ciphertext will be LNS. Similarly you need to do it for MOR. You need to see the plain text. You need to do it for MOR. Then you need to do it for EMO, and then for NEY. Because the matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. If the matrix is given is 2 cross 2 matrix, you need to divide your plain text into 2 pair. So this is our Hill cipher. Thank you.